Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signals and system related question asked in GATE 2013 repeat paper. The question is, assuming zero initial condition, the response of the system is given below to a unit step input is dash. They are asking y of t, right? So what they have given y of s, this is box, so should be a transfer function h of s, input u of s. So we know the relationship between output input Laplace transform is, or Laplace transform output is transfer function into Laplace transform of input h of s, u of s. So h of s is given by 1 by s. This is h of s. U of s, u of s nothing but a Laplace transform of unit impulse, that is 1 by s. So y of s equal to 1 by s square. So if you take inverse Laplace y of t is equal to 1 by s squared is nothing but t into, for 1 by s squared, inverse Laplace is t into u of t. So the answer is option B. We know Laplace transform of t and u of t is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. So n 1 by s plus 1 is t power 1 u of t. That's the answer, right? Thank you.